Hey everybody, I'm going to answer a question that was posed today, and this is going to be under the technical simulation technical questions Q&A of how to do things. So I've kind of gotten started already, so I'm going to reset, just reload. So whenever you open, I'll go ahead and back it up. So this is where we're at. I have a couple things saved, so I'm going to go in here to edit, and a question that was posed today, so this is exactly how it's going to come up to you. A question that was posed today was, how do you change, so if you don't want to add another truck, how would you change the frequency that a truck comes in? So I'm going to explain that very briefly. It's a lot easier to see things instead of just saying, hey, do ABC. Sometimes it's easier to see things, and I understand that. So first things first, we just have our panel over here. This shows our display of everything we have. And so we're going to go down to facilities. Now we have a couple different facilities that are already given to us from the start, so we don't have to put any facilities in. And what we're going to do is, this is the seasonings DC is our main distribution. We do have trucks moving from the factories, but seasonings DC is our main distribution center where all this is coming from. We have all this over here. We don't need it to mess with any of this, but we do have this popping up over here. So from here we have vehicles. As we see, I have 5. I got a little bit tricky with mine. So over here, this shows the route. I'm going to click on another one just to show you. Well, those have the same route, actually. But there's another one. So if you look over here to the left, we have our edit box, and you can move it around as well. This edit box shows the name of the truck, the type of trucks, those different kinds, the volume it has, the weight it does have as well, and also the speed. And so this right here shows the delays between departures. It's just something I was trying to explain today. So let's say I wanted to have one truck running this whole route right here. I could set it to start once a day. That's what it would be on right now. And I could you can set the routes. The routes are kind of a different thing. But this route right here, when I have it on 24 hours, that means it's going once a day. It doesn't really designate the time, like 8 a.m. every day or noon every day, but it just means once a day it's making a trip. So if I put it on 48, that would mean once every other day. If I put it on 72, that'd be once every 3 days. If I put it on 12, that would be twice a day. So it just kind of depends. Now, if you wanted 2 trucks to go, like set up 2 different routes to go and put them both on 24, that would be 2 different, completely like routes, different trucks. But if you just want a truck to go more often, over here in the bottom left corner, you change that to 12, or if you want it to slow down, why can't I type? You change to 30, you would just hit update, and then you could run your simulation. So outside of that, that's pretty much it. I hope I was able to help. And yeah, this is the easiest way for me to explain things. And if y'all have any questions, throw them in the forum. If I have any questions or good ideas, I'll throw them in the forum as well. So thank you guys, and y'all have a good one.